Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. It's time for another unboxing. This is the G6 Pro gaming tablet, and in full disclosure, this came in free of charge from the company that manufactures it. This is a 7-inch tablet that is powered by a MediaTek MTK6797 processor, and we'll take a look and see how this performs. I'm eager to see if this might be close to what we used to get out of the Shield tablet. In the box, it looks like you get a screen protector to go on the front of it if you wish to do that. And here is the tablet itself. It's got a nice red pinstripe on there because red means performance, right? So it's running with Android 8.0. We've got a 7-inch display, 1200 by 1920, 5000 milliamp hour battery, 4 gigs of RAM, and 64 gigabytes of storage. It looks like it actually supports 4G networks too. We have to find a SIM card to pop in there. So it looks pretty cool on the surface. Maybe we'll see if it's got any juice in it and power it up real quick. We're going to have a full review of this, by the way, on my main channel at lon.tv very shortly. So let's take a look on the back here. It's got a camera there, bit of a camera bump to it, as you can see. We have a USB Type-C port here at the top. We'll test and see what that port is capable of. We have a headphone jack over here. Looks like your SIM card goes in there. You've got a volume rocker and power switch there on that side. And that looks like it's about it. I don't think it's got stereo sound, though, because there is only one speaker grill here at the bottom. And maybe if we've got a second here, I can find my SIM popper tool and see what is in that tray. Because I'd love to be able to put in an SD card in addition to the SIM card. And it doesn't look like that's popping out. There it goes. Yep, so it looks like you can do a SIM card and an SD card. So you can get 4G and some extra memory in there as well. So what we're going to do is start setting this tablet up and find out all the different capabilities that it has, and we'll have a full review soon on the main channel at lon.tv. The screen looks pretty bright, actually. It looks as though it's got a bit of bleed through here at the top, so I will investigate that as well. And if there's anything that you would like to see, do let me know down in the comments section, and we'll make sure we add it to the full review again that you'll be able to see at lon.tv. More to come.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.